The quickest way to learn how to add and subtract integers is by knowing these rules. Repeat after me. Rule number 1. Same sign, you're going to add, and you're going to keep the sign from both numbers. And rule number 2. Different sign, you're going to subtract, and you're going to keep the sign from the largest number. These are some examples of when you're going to add. We have -5 plus -3. This first number is negative. This second number is negative. Same sign, add. You're going to add 5 and 3, which is 8. Since both of them are negative, your final answer is negative. Here's another example. -7 minus 4. We can rewrite this so that this problem is addition. So it would be -7 plus -4. We would just attach the negative to the second number. See how they both have the same sign? So again, same sign, add. 7 plus 4 is 11. And you're going to keep the sign of both numbers. They're both negative, so your final answer is negative. Let's do the third scenario. When you have a double negative like this, a negative times a negative is a positive. So we're going to rewrite it as 8 plus 1. And then this becomes a normal addition problem. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now, when you subtract is when both of your numbers have opposite or different signs. Here we have a -2 plus a +3. A negative and a positive. Different signs, we're going to subtract. So I like to grab the biggest number, which is 3, and do 3 minus 2 is 1. And we're going to keep the sign from the larger number. Since 3 is larger than 2 and 3 is positive, our final answer will be positive. Here's another scenario where we have a double negative right next to each other. Negative times a negative is a positive. We're going to rewrite this as -4 plus 1. We have a -4 and we have a +1. That is different signs. So we're going to subtract. Grab the larger number, which is 4. So you're going to do 4 minus 1 is 3. And you're going to keep the sign from the larger number. We have more negatives since 4 is larger. So your final answer will be negative. If you need more practice, check out my playlist down below.